Good day, everyone. Today we will continue our discussion about IoT. And today's lecture is what is big data? Data is information that comes from a variety of sources such as people, picture, text, sensors, and websites. Big data is a lot of data, but what is a lot? No one has an exact number that says when data from an organization is considered big data. There are some characteristics that integrate organization might be dealing with big data. They have large amount of data that increasingly require more storage space. They have an amount of data that is growing exponentially fast, and they have data that is generated in different forms. Companies do not necessarily have to generate their own big data. Similar organizations might not have the sensors, the volume of customers, or ability to generate the variety of information that could benefit their company. The challenges of big data. APM's big data estimated concludes that each day we create 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. To put this into context, every minute of every day we upload over 300 hours of YouTube video. We send over 3 million text messages, and etc. The rapid growth of data can be an advantage or an obstacle when it comes to achieving business goals. To be successful, enterprises must be able easily access and manage their assets. Where can we store big data? Big data is typically stored in multiple services, usually housed within data centers for security, accessibility, and redundancy. The data is usually distributed or replaced on many different servers in many different data centers. For example, we have here fog computing and cloud computing. The fog computing is an architecture that utilizes end-user clients or edge devices to do a substantial amount of the pre-processing and storage required by organization. Fog computing was designed to keep the data closer to the source of to the to the source for pre-processing. And the cloud computing, its collection of data centers or group of connected servers, access to software, storage, and services available on the server is obtained through the internet via browser interface. Distributed processing. From a data management perspective, analytics were simple when humans created data. The amount of data was manageable and relatively easy to sift through. However, with an explosion of businesses automation system and the exponential growth of web applications and machine generated data analytic is becoming increasingly more difficult to manage. Data that exists today has been generated in just last 2 years. This increased volume within a short period of time, property of exponential growth. Most distributed file systems are designed to be individual to client program. The distributed file system locates files and moves data, but the users have no way of knowing that the files are distributed among many different servers or nodes. The users access these files as if they were local to their own computers. All users see the same view of the file system and are able to access data currently within other users. Why do business analyze data? Every organization must become more difficult and innovation to stay competitive and relevant in the digitized world. The IoT is an integral part of achieving the efficiency and innovation. The goal of many business the goal of many business is to collect and analyze the massive amount of new product usage data to gain valuable insights. Data analytic allows businesses to better understand the impact of their product and services, adjust their methods and goal, and provide their customers better products and faster. The ability to gain new insights from their data brings value to the businesses. Source of information. The source of data organized from anything that has been scanned, entered, and released the internet from sources such as social media sites, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, and also the HTTP web pages, and also the genomic search using DNA. Collected data can be categorized, structured, or unstructured. Structured data is created by applications that use fixed format inputs such as spreadsheets or medical forms. Unstructured data is generated in free form styles such as audio, video, web page, and tweets. That was all. Thank you.